Welcome to the ninth standard English course book. The first unit is Aspire to Win. In this unit, you just study the picture. There are two players in the picture. What is your opinion about them? Do you think that the players belong to the same team? Are there any other players in the game? Are they belong to the same team? How can each member lead his team to victory? What are the qualities of a good sports person? You just keep all these questions in your mind and write the answers in a notebook. Okay, now we move to the story, The Race. The Race is a story written by Nisha Panjabi. We are moving to the first paragraph. You just listen it.
Tarun was a mediocre student. His grades could barely satisfy his parents, and he was not a good singer, dancer, painter, or even an actor. He always thought of himself as the black sheep of the family. His elder brother, who was pursuing a degree in engineering from a reputed college, always made the family proud. But Tarun was never good at anything like that.
Okay, this paragraph describes the boy Tarun. He was a mediocre student. That means he was average student in his studies. And his parents, you just think all the parents what they think about their children. They wish their children should get very high marks in the examination. But Tarun, he always got average grades in examination. And he was not a singer. He could not sing a song very well. And he was not a dancer, painter, or even an actor. And you just note black sheep. Find out the meaning of that black sheep. You just note that in your notebook. And there was another thing. He had an elder brother. He was very excellent in his studies. And he was studying in an engineering college. And now he got an engineering degree. But Tarun, he was very much disappointed because he was average student. Okay, next paragraph.
However, he was blessed with the strength of a great athlete. He was an excellent runner. He would run for hours, be it day or night. Whenever he felt sad and lonely, he exhausted himself by running, thus releasing all his pent up emotions. At times, he would miss his school bus and would then run to school, which was 5 miles away from his home. He just had one dream to become the fastest runner in the world. Tarun did not know how to achieve his dream. On the one hand, his parents hated his running and wanted him to concentrate more on his studies, which he never did. On the other hand, He belonged to a middle class family, and Tarun knew that to achieve his dream, he needed an intensive training, the amount for which was well beyond his family's reach.
This paragraph it describes about Tarun's strength. In the last paragraph, Tarun was very poor in his studies, but this paragraph it shows that Tarun had the strength of a good runner. He was an athlete and he could run for hours. And you just answer what was Tarun's ambition? Tarun's ambition was to become a good runner in life. And what was his father or what was his parents' reactions about this? His parents they hated his ambition. And the another thing was that he belonged to middle class family. We know that to become a good athlete there should be practice behind it. But Tarun's poor financial condition it was an hindrance to this. This was the second paragraph summary. Okay, now we go to the questions. The first question is, who do you like more, Tarun or his brother? Why? Why did Tarun think that he was the black sheep of the family? Third question, what were the obstacles before Tarun in pursuing his dream? Give some suggestions to solve this. These are the three questions we come across the first two paragraphs. You just read the paragraphs once again and find out the answers. Okay, now we stop here and shall continue on the next class. Thank you.